Hi, today we will learn a chapter from grammar part, chapter 6, relative pronouns, on page 107. A relative pronoun refers to a noun going before it. It is used to join two sentences. Relative pronouns दो sentences को join करने के लिए यूज़ करते हैं. Check these examples. I like boys who are honest. In this sentence, who is the relative pronoun? Second, here is the book that you lent me. यहाँ पे that, relative pronoun that. Third, I have found the pen which I had lost. Third sentence में, third example में relative pronoun कौन सा है? Which. Okay. यहाँ पे हम who और which and that के बारे में learn करेगा. First one, who. Who is used for people only. Who only people के लिए यूज़ करता है. People means any person. Check some examples. First one, he is the boy who won the race. यहाँ पे subject is boy. So कौन सा relative pronoun यूज़ किया? Who. Second, a thief is a person who steals things. Here, thief and a person is the subject. So which relative pronoun we used here? Who. Okay. 3. Boys who work hard get good marks. यहाँ पे subject boys, so relative pronoun who. ये तीन sentence में देखो, all these subjects are people. That's why we used who. Okay. Next, that. That is used for things. Things के लिए, कोई भी चीज़ों के लिए, चीज़ के लिए that यूज़ करते हैं. ये sentence देखो. An aeroplane is a machine that flies. Here subject is a aeroplane. Aeroplane is a thing. So that's why we used that. Relative pronoun कौन सा है इसमें? That. Second, I have lost the watch that you gave me. Here subject watch. That's why we used that. 3. He has sold the car that his father gave him. यहाँ पे subject कौन सा है? Car. इसलिए relative pronoun that. All these subjects are things. That's why we used that. Okay. We can use that for people also. But who is better? People के लिए भी हमको that यूज़ कर सकते हैं, लेकिन people के लिए who अच्छा है, इसलिए that ज़्यादा यूज़ नहीं करते हैं. ये देखो, he is the man who stole my purse. And second, he is the man that stole my purse. Okay, who और that यूज़ कर सकते हैं people के लिए, लेकिन better who. Next one, which. Which is used for things and animals. Which things और animals के लिए यूज़ करते हैं. Things मतलब चीज़, कोई भी चीज़, and animals जानवर. So things और animals के लिए which यूज़ कर सकते हैं. Example देखो यहाँ पे. An aeroplane is a machine which flies. Okay, यहाँ पे aeroplane is a thing, इसलिए which यूज़ किया. Second, I have lost the watch which you gave me. यहाँ पे subject is watch, that's why we used which. Third, the horse which he has bought runs very fast. So here, what is the subject? Who is the subject? Horse. Horse is an animal, so that's why we used which. Horse एक animal है, इसलिए हमने कौन सा relative pronoun यूज़ किया यहाँ पे? Which. The horse which he has bought runs very fast. And we can use who, that and which to join sentences. Sentences को join करने के लिए who, that और which use कर सकते हैं. I met a girl, she was very tall. Two sentences are here. I met a girl and second sentence, she was very tall. So ये दो sentences को join करने के लिए हमने यहाँ पे कौन सा relative pronoun use किया? Who. I met a girl who was very tall. Second, you gave me a watch. I have lost it. I have lost the watch. That or which, दोनों में से एक. I have lost the watch which you gave me, or I have lost the watch that you gave me. 3. An aeroplane is a machine, it can fly. An aeroplane is a machine that can fly, or an aeroplane is a machine which can fly. One exercise is here, page number 108. First one, match the items and write sentences using who. One has been done as an example. यहाँ पे sentences को match करके who use करके relative pronoun who use करके sentence लिखना है. First one किया है, देखो, a liar and doesn't tell the truth. ये दो sentence को कैसे join किया? See, a liar is a person who doesn't tell the truth. Okay, like this. Complete all of this. I will read this for you. First box में first one, a liar. 2, a fool. 3, a thief. 4, a genius. 5, a dentist. 6, a patient. 7, a butcher. 8, a musician. Second box में sells meat, steal things, is very stupid, is ill in hospital, is very intelligent, doesn't tell the truth, looks after your teeth, plays a musical instrument. So join these sentences and write sentences by using who. Second exercise, put in who or which. Fill in the blanks by using who or which. First one, she had a box dash had no lid. यहाँ पे who और which use करके sentence को complete करना है. 2, he is the boy dash has stood fast. 3, it was a big tree dash they cut down. 4, is there anybody dash has seen God. 5, I have a friend dash can speak Marathi. 6, everyone dash was there enjoyed the party. 7, there is a big river dash flows through Delhi. 8, he asked a question dash was difficult to answer. Do this work yourself. And remember, इसमें people के लिए who आएगा और things के लिए which. Third exercise, put a cross against sentences that are wrong. Underline the mistake and correct it. Here put a cross against wrong sentences and correct it. First one, a liar is a person which tells lies. So this sentence is wrong. यहाँ पे a liar. So it is a person, people. इसलिए हमको यहाँ पे which use नहीं कर सकता, which things के लिए use करता है. So people के लिए कौन सा relative pronoun use करना है? Who. So that's how we correct it. A liar is a person who tells lies. Okay. Second, he was the man who could help you. 3, I dislike people which talk too much. 4, correct the sentences who are wrong. 5, a kite is a toy who can fly in the air. 6, there was nobody who could do the sum. 7, I have lost the money who was in my pocket. So check these sentences carefully and put a cross against wrong sentences and correct it. Okay. That's all for today. Thank you so much for listening.